Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to post on Instagram with high quality. Now, this is a prerequisite if you want high quality uploads without having a lot of compression being done to your content before it gets uploaded. Now, there are a few options that you can choose from. So once you're here in your profile, you can click on the top right corner to go into the menu. Once you're in here, you can scroll down all the way to see an option where it says data usage and media quality. Now just click on this option and then you will see that by default upload at highest quality is switched off. Quickly turn this option on and that is it. You can now post on Instagram with high quality, and yeah, this works for cellular as well as Wi-Fi, so you don't need to worry about that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.